the calm before the storm. Yeah, we're about to get some, so. How about that little strobe rocket? Yeah, I'm shooting in the daytime. I'm hoping to catch the puffs of smoke. Or it's just gonna blow up like some of them do. I did notice in the video of making it, I made one little mistake. When I crossed over from strobe back to whistle, I didn't compress that increment of strobe and I put whistle right on top of it. So we'll see what happens. Might be a shit show, who knows? Hear that thunder. You went way up there and she sure didn't blow.